Today, I want to talk to you about one major step of the mortgage process, and it's dealing with the assets. One of the requirements is when you're getting a loan is to provide at least 2 months bank statements most of the time. Here's the problem that we're continuing to see, and some advice that might help you out so you don't fall into this issue. One is during the loan process, do not pull money in and take money out besides your regular bills. For instance, it's okay to pay your water bill, your electric bill, your rent. All that is normal activity. However, if you are going to buy a major appliance or something like that, I would suggest that you hold off on spending your money because you might need that additional money for closing costs, or you might need it for reserves. Now, reserves are needed sometimes to strengthen a file. If your credit is not strong enough, when we're running an automated system, it might say you need 1 month's reserves, which would be 1 month's additional house payment. Not that you have to bring to closing, but we have to show it in your bank account to show that your file is strengthened by having that extra month put back. The other problem is what we're seeing is like Venmo and PayPal. That does run into a problem this day and time, especially with the younger generation. We see a lot of money's going in and out. Every time you do that, we really have to source where that money come from. Sometimes it's just simple as a letter, and it's also based on what your income is. If it's under like 50% of what your monthly income is, we don't always have to address it at all. But for USDA, a loan program that we offer, or any of the grant programs, we have to address every single penny that goes in and out of your account. So while you're trying to prepare for the loan process, I would suggest that you do not put a lot of money in besides your normal deposits, or you don't take a lot of money out besides paying your regular bills. If you need to do something different, you will need to talk with your loan officer to make sure that they can guide you and make sure that they understand before you actually start moving the monies, so that you're on the same page and they can tell you the right documentation that's needed.